So if you watch my van tour video, you should know basically where everything is. If not, go back and watch that now, and then you'll have a basic idea of where everything is in the van. But if you have watched that, it's a bit different now because I've actually packed it. So like up above the cab, I've now got a rucksack and my wash bag. That's not too different, that's basically the same. But up behind me up here, I've got a bag full of like winter clothes and stuff. So like all my thick jackets and stuff like that in case I need them when I'm up in Scotland. And then I've got this box full of like spare things that I didn't actually have enough space to fit in. As you can see, my fridge is now fully stocked full of stuff. It's got ice packs in it because it's not actually... And my food storage. My food storage is also full. You can see all down there. We've got 2 layers here full of stuff. So this video is basically just a bunch of clips and stuff of me packing and sorting out everything that I'm going to put in the van. Hopefully you can see most of it and get some ideas for if you're packing your van.